Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners who want comfortable living spaces without unnecessary energy costs. One of the most impactful upgrades a homeowner can make is installing replacement windows. For homeowners in Eagle, replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient options offers measurable benefits that improve comfort, reduce energy waste, and support long-term home performance. Why older windows reduce energy efficiency over time? Windows can lose their ability to insulate effectively. Frames may shift, seals wear out, and gaps develop that allow air to move freely between indoors and outdoors. In Eagle homes, older windows often contribute to drafts, temperature swings, and increased energy use. Even with efficient indoor systems, poor-performing windows can undermine comfort and drive up energy costs. Reducing heat loss during cooler conditions. When temperatures drop, warm indoor air naturally moves toward cooler areas. Inefficient windows allow this heat to escape quickly. Energy-efficient replacement windows help slow heat loss by improving insulation and sealing. For Eagle homeowners, this means indoor spaces stay warmer longer, reducing the need for frequent heating adjustments. Limiting heat gain. When temperatures rise during warmer periods, heat entering through windows can make rooms uncomfortable and increase cooling demands. Replacement windows designed for efficiency help limit heat gain through both the glass and frame. Eagle homeowners often notice that living spaces remain cooler and more stable even during warmer days. Eliminating drafts that waste energy. Drafts are a clear sign of energy loss. Air leaking around windows forces indoor systems to work harder to maintain comfort. Replacement windows are designed to fit precisely within existing openings. In Eagle homes, this tight fit helps eliminate drafts, supporting more consistent indoor temperatures and lower energy use. Supporting balanced indoor temperatures. Poor window performance often leads to uneven temperatures throughout the home. Some rooms may feel warmer or cooler than others. Energy-efficient replacement windows help Eagle homeowners achieve more balanced indoor comfort. Living areas, bedrooms, and shared spaces feel more consistent, making the home easier to enjoy year-round. Reducing strain on indoor systems. When windows allow heat transfer, indoor systems must compensate by running longer or more frequently. By reducing energy loss, replacement windows help Eagle homeowners ease the workload on indoor systems. This supports more efficient operation and may extend the lifespan of equipment over time. Improving comfort near window areas. Areas near old windows are often uncomfortable due to drafts or temperature changes. With energy-efficient replacement windows, Eagle homeowners can use window-adjacent spaces more comfortably. Seating areas, desks, and bedrooms near windows become more pleasant and usable. Long-term energy savings that add up. Energy efficiency improvements aren't just about immediate comfort, they deliver long-term savings. For Eagle homeowners, lower heating and cooling demands translate into reduced energy expenses over time. These ongoing savings help offset the initial investment in replacement windows. Reducing the need for temporary energy fixes. Many homeowners rely on draft blockers, heavy curtains, or constant thermostat adjustments to manage energy loss. Replacement windows address these issues at the source. Eagle homeowners benefit from a permanent solution that improves efficiency without workarounds. A smart investment in comfort and efficiency. Energy-efficient windows improve how a home feels and performs every day. For homeowners in Eagle, installing replacement windows delivers clear energy efficiency benefits. By reducing heat loss, limiting heat gain, and eliminating drafts, replacement windows help create a home that stays comfortable year-round while using energy more efficiently, making them a smart, long-term upgrade.